Sixth sum. They given star on A. This is a binary operation on A. ABC is commutative. In questions they given ABC. Not only this, they given B, C, A. This is B, this is A, and this is A. They given in the question itself. What I need to find? Nothing but I need to find the missing elements. This is a missing. I need to find this element, and this element. I need to find three elements which is missing here. If we are going to see here, they given this is commutative. What is commutative? The formula we know. What is commutative? If we are going to say A star B, then we can say B star A should also be satisfied. A star B is equal to B star A. Using this, I am going to find. How I am going to find? See. First, I am going to find A star B. This is the first one I need to find. A star B. This is A star B. This is A star B. I am going to find A star B. How I am going to find A star B? See. Point put in. What will be A star B? A star B. What is A star B? Before finding A star B, this is commutative. No, A star B means I can say B star A also. I can find B star A. What is B star A? B star A. What is B star A? C. See, B star A. B star A, C. If B star A is C, then I can say A star B is also C. This is the first. Easily I have found. A star B is equal to C. Next, second. What I need to find? I need to find this one. A star C. I need to find A star C. I need to find A star C. If I need to find A star C, it is better first I will find C star A. A star C is equal to C star A is a commutative. I will first find C star A. C star A. What is C star A? C star A is nothing but A. If C star A is A, then A star C is also A, because you know the commutative A star B is equal to B star A. Both will be equal, no? So next, third one, last third one. This is C star B. Next I need to find C star B. Before finding C star B, first I will find B star C. This is B star C. What is B star C? Is nothing but A. If B star C is A, then C star B is also A. This is the final answer we need to give into the sum. Very easily we have finished this sum, sixth sum. Next we will move to a seventh sum also, because seventh sum is very easy. Why we need to go back for this seventh sum? The given table. First I need to know, is it commutative or not? Star on set ABCD, they given full table. I need to prove commutative. Yeah, I need to prove commutative. For commutative, we know the formula A star B. First to find solution A star B. Check it. A star B. What is A star B? Is nothing but C. If A star B is C, next I need to find B star A. B star A should be C. If it is not C, it is not commutative. If it is C, it is commutative. A star B is C. B star A. B star A. What is B star A? Is nothing but D. Therefore, A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative on A. Star is not commutative on A. Easily we have finished the commutative. Next I am going to go for associative. Associative, you know the formula. A star B star C is the formula. First you write A star as it is. What is B star C? First I need to say B star C. What is B star C? B star C. B star C is nothing but B. This is B. This star, B star B is nothing but B. So what is A star B? A star B. A star B is C. After this LHS, what is RHS? A star B star C. The bracket will changes, that's all. What is A star B? A star B is C. C star. I will check once again. A star B. A star B. What is A star B? C. I put C. Already star C is present. Put star C. C star C. C star C. C star C is nothing but A. Check it here. This is C. This is A. So A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Therefore, star is not associative on A. This is very easy sum.